This is my British accent interpretation. Good day, mate. It's bloody awful out here.
What's this? Yet another awkward vlogger autograph going out? This time to NichFam TV, my newest patron.
Actually got something in the mail myself. How excite! Huzzah! These are just some super cheap filters. An ND4 filter, a polarizing filter. There's another one in there, UV, I think. But it was like 15 bucks, and I don't know.
We are on the move today. Where to? Well, if you're a regular watcher, you know. If you're not, you'll just have to find out. Oh, the suspense. But perhaps this backpack will fill you in. Bye, little Oscar. Bye, Bear. Bye, Oscar. Keep it real. Hello, Holly.
Hello.
We're budget travelers, so we tend to fly out of the cheapest, closest airport. For this trip, that would be good old Newark Liberty. Our flight leaves tomorrow morning, so we're staying near the airport for the night.
Sprint.com/ready now to make an appointment at a nearby store.
I have been on hold with Sprint for like 10 minutes now. Sprint sucks overall, but they have international global roaming and it's totally free. You get text and web unlimited for free, and then you have to pay for calling. Now, to be honest, it's only like a 4-hour drive to Newark, but I tend to get a little bored when I'm in the car for that long.
Ladies?
Who wants poutine?
Ladies and gentlemen, to the right you'll see Lycoming College. Oh, it's Pennsylvania's #1 school. Yay, Lycoming!
So in the last 9 days, I've put out exactly one video. I went from Wednesday to Wednesday without a post. And let me tell you, YouTube is punishing me, fam. They are punishing me. I'm telling you what, the algorithm is like, Lincoln, your channel, nope. You're not gonna post a video for a week? Screw you, Lincoln. I average like 1,500 to 2,000 views a day normally, like on any given day. And my views have just shot out the bottom, man. In that week time, went from 1,500 to 2,000 views a day average. Most of those views come on older content, obviously, but they just dropped, man. They dropped out the bottom to like 500 to 700 views a day. It's absolutely horrific. We haven't done this for a while in a video. Welcome back to another exciting edition of Gas Prices with Lincoln. Today we are in Eastern Pennsylvania. And would you look at that, gas prices running $2.99 a gallon. It was $3.10 in State College. Decent value, my peeps. What's it like in your area of the woods? All right, we have arrived at the Newark Liberty Airport Holiday Inn. Of course, we're gonna do a room tour. There'll be lots of room tours in the coming days. Trust me on that. Rapid fire, here we go. Upon entering the room, you've got this weird sink area here, which is because the bathroom just has a shitter and a shower. Nice new carpets. And you can see the room area here. Got a king size bed, got this little area here to sit and relax. Oh, shit! Holly, what are you looking forward to most tomorrow?
Landing safely.
Can you describe to me where we're going without saying the name and without dead giving it away?
It is a historic country that has been highly influential on most of the world.